Today it is the 25th of September 2020 and we finally got inside into Amiraalinkatu 6 staircase C, and we've only got one staircase left in this residential building, so it's very difficult.
Or Amiraalinkatu 4.
Yeah, same building,
Yeah.
2 addresses.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. And this was also built in 1979, turned 40 years old in last year, 2019, and the serial number is H41767 with 5 floors. Oh, and it's only 5 floors, it's just fast.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And from 1979. I love the sounds from the machine room.
Same here.
Yeah. Buttons don't light up, but it's because it's occupied, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2021.
Yeah.
I love how they made it this fast, even though it's only 5 floors here.
Yeah.
But the bad is separate.
Yeah. Tippaakin vain nyt me eteenpäin pääkaupunkiserviisikeskus.
But we are still going to get also the D.
Yeah.
I am not sure if it has 5 or 6 staircases.
Yeah.
You can press. I mean 5 or 6 floors.
Yeah.
Maybe 6. It looks a bit taller. Maybe it has the basement. I don't know. But we'll see it.
Yeah.
Oh no, I need to. It's almost finished. This video.
Yeah.
I'll take a new one just in case. And then you can go on and wait for